Spurs for all that time. Jalen Harper's in for the first time. Keldon Johnson, the NBA's sixth man, stolen by Bridges. Second turnover.
Not allowing that defender to slide over on Alvarado's drive.
Anunoby with another steal. Bridges gets caught on a screen. Castle keeps his dribble alive, leans in, Towns helping defense. Stolen by Anunoby.
In the corner.
Wembanyama kicks it back out. Castle plenty of space. Can't hit. Long rebound, Bridges.
You've got a situation for a lob for Wemby, and then you don't convert, and then you give up a wide-open jumper the other way. 4-point swing.
Blocked by Robinson on the Castle shot. There comes Castle. Deflected by Brunson and a steal. Brunson slow getting up the other way. Castle drives inside. Bridges right with him. Comes up short. Wemby keeps it alive. Ball loose. Anunoby throws it ahead. Brunson one man to for the Spurs. So when Harper's in, Castle gets inside. Castle fakes, drives, goes inside, blocked, and Towns the outlet. Back in. Harrison Barnes stays in. Castle hesitant. Foul line jumper, can't get it. Boxing out is Towns. He's got 5 rebounds. Castle comes the other way. Castle goes right at Hart, blocked by Hart, and the save to Bridges. Jamit's guarding Castle. Castle off the bounce, gets inside. Castle trying to draw some contact. Comes up short. Towns with the rebound.